It's never too late to check under the hood and make those changes. Welcome, authors, to Next Level Writing. In this video, we will be looking at editing and revealing my top 5 editing tips that you can use to improve your writing. Before we begin, please remember to like, subscribe, and share this channel. A huge shout out to 6GC for requesting this video. Thanks for the support. Now it's time to cut to it and begin editing. First, what is editing? Well, editing is looking at something and making improvements. It can be fixing spelling errors to enhancing vocabulary. Whatever it is, remember, it is about improving what you have already done, not starting from scratch. But how do we edit? Well, these top 5 editing tips will provide you with a starting point. Let's spend some time to look at each of them. Number 5, read aloud. Great writing should sound poetic and pleasant when read aloud. By reading aloud, an author can often hear when things don't sound quite right. When reading your own writing, it is important to listen out for things like missing words and phrasing errors. Number 4, repetition. Repetition. One core thing to look out for when editing is unintentional repetition. Repeating words can make writing sound boring and uninspired. The most common mistake writers make is repeating words in consecutive sentences. When editing, try and see if you have used the same words over and over. If you have, restructure one of the sentences so that you are not repeating yourself. Number 3, $10 words. Money! $10 words is just another way of saying interesting words. They are more valuable than everyday words and help to excite the reader. When editing, you should be able to identify at least one $10 word in a sentence. If you can't, find a word that you can change to make the sentence more valuable. Number 2, trust another. It is often very challenging to read your own writing and locate errors. Therefore, it can be very helpful to approach someone you trust for assistance. Someone you trust could be a peer, a relative, or even a teacher. It can also be beneficial to identify something you want the person to look for when they are reading your writing. It could be spelling, paragraphing, or anything else that you know you need to work on as an author. Number 1, technology. My final tip is technology. There are many apps and programs that exist that can be used to help improve your writing. One example of these apps is Grammarly. Grammarly is a writing app that can be used to identify mistakes you have made in your writing. If you want to investigate Grammarly, there is a link in the video description below. And that's it. 5 top tips for editing your writing that will help take your writing to the next level. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and keep taking your writing to the next level.